gotta watch this. Yeah.
Alert! Your mission, should you decide to accept it, will be revealed at HQ. This world will self-destruct. But first, a little dance.
Sure you okay, big shot?
Fine, good. No, not good, not good. Yeah, I'm good, Mark.
Welcome to Dog HQ.
3 hours ago, we intercepted this transmission. I will enslave all mankind!
You can't begin to imagine how dangerous she is. Our worst fears come true. We have no other choice. Cats and dogs will have to work together.
Oh boy. Your new collar is fitted with a lockpick, Eddie, helium neon laser, and this is yours.
Sweet! What's it do?
Hold your name tag on your neck.
What the? I love this spider! I can't see! Someone! Not you! Let's go! It's a bird!
It's a plane. Nope, had it right the first time.
Oh, jeez.
Don't be scared. I'll hold your paw.
Is it true if I tickle your tongue, your foot will shake?
Nah, that's just a myth.
All right, that's enough.
Oh boy, that's it. This is historic. 3 species putting aside our differences to solve a mystery.
Call the old-fashioned, but I preferred it when we all hated each other.
Hairball. Oh, right, the dropping floor thing. I've seen one of those.
Cats and dogs, the revenge of Kitty Galore.
Jenny, I'm home. Hand over that ticket.
You got to take my ticket, dog. Straight up.
Now you're probably wondering why a nice guy like me is getting knocked out by a thug like this. Well, there's a good reason. Actually, there's millions. See, I was just an ordinary guy. Man, go say something to her. Get it. I was just wondering. You were supposed to get the number, not doodle. So I played those numbers.
Hey, gonna play the lottery?
The machines is rough. What do you mean it broke?
I'm joking. No, I'm joking. Now I know your mama beat the black out both of us if she know we ain't play them numbers.
The winning numbers 42, 33, 4, 32, 45, and 21.
Come on. You okay, boy? We won the lottery. We won!
I gotta call somebody.
No, nobody can know about this, all right? I just need to go down there and turn the ticket in.
It's closed. Closed? It's 4th of July.
That's 3 whole days. And we're the only ones that know about the ticket. What can go wrong?
What is all of this?
Now, we got a miracle in the house today. Kevin!
Yo, he's coming.
Who's coming, Jesus?
You're not Jesus. Lorenzo, man. He's out of jail.
It's every man for himself.
Can you protect yourself at all times?
Yeah.
What you got? Come on, get your left up.
And they all want a piece.
Kevin, this is my ex-wife. Built like a sack of laundry. This is the wife that God want me to have.
you won the lottery, what would you do?
Give people something to live for instead of just living.
Make a difference.
We won, baby!
What really counts? Bow Wow, Brandon T. Jackson, Naturi Naughton, Keith David, Charlie Murphy, Benga Akanabe, Terry Crews, Mike Epps, Bill Bellamy, T-Pain, Loretta Devine, and Ice Cube.
Say, young blood. Somebody read him a bedtime story.
Lottery ticket.
Soft head, sorry. Filled with stories and dreams. There's nothing wrong with dreams.
My soldiers.
It is time to take the Owl Kingdoms. Those birds are doing something terribly wrong.
And you're going to need to fly a long way to get to the Guardians.
You mean they're real?
Oh, they're real, all right.
What are we gonna do, Soren?
We're gonna find the Guardians of Garhul. You've all come this far, each protecting the other. When you've flown as far as you can, you're halfway there.
What did he say?
We're halfway there. There were some really scary beasts out that way.
You can breathe now.
What are they really doing here?
They've built an army powerful enough to take over all the Owl Kingdoms.
Go tell the Guardians!
On his way to finding the legend, he will become one. You too can be a great guardian.
Get them! An ambush! I bet you didn't count on this. Hold on!
Come on, Soren. We're not finished yet, boy. Be a young owl with a taste for adventure arriving at the tree for the first time.
Legend of the Guardians, the Owls of Gahul.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Owls. Owls who? Huh, that's right. Owls who?
If I have to hear any more of his ridiculous owl jokes.
It's hilarious.
Or on Blu-ray. Following previous subs reports your song issues for the Motion Picture Association of America.
Can I leave?
Just an hour, you know.
All right. Hey, you? What? Yeah, what are we going to make at 2:30?
Oh, Sven, promise I never have to see him again.
Guys, come on, I want to get a picture of Sophie with her godmother.
Yes, this is she.
Did Allison and Peter speak with you about who would take care of Sophie in the unlikely event that they should both die?
No.
Well, they named you.
I'm sorry. They picked us together.
Believe me, I tried to advise them against it, but there are options. We have Peter's father.
I think she looks just like you.
Oh, so no. Good as new.
Are we supposed to live in this house together?
We are part of a plan.
Some chick says, oh, miss, you can forget the condom. Okay. And I say no, and I still end up with the kid.
We need to figure out a schedule. That's my night off.
Are you happy to get rid of your old life? Because your old life sucked.
It was great. I had a great time.
You want beg more?
They love Sophie more than anything in the entire world, and out of everyone, that's where they picked us. She's making a poop face.
What do you mean she's making a poop
Oh no, she's gonna poop in the tub. Hurry up. She's gonna poop on me. Okay.
No. That's my hand. How's that wine treating you?
I think you guys make a really cute couple.
She said the same thing about Taylor Swift and that Twilight kid.
Oh, hey! He's about to walk over! Oh, I stole it! Puppy! Oh, God! What did you do?
Someone stole it, so I gave her a shove. I finally figured out why Peter and Allison picked us, and it's not because we knew them best, it's because you and me together, Sophie, somehow, we're a family.
Life as we know it.
Oh my God!
John, just you know.
That's like slow down, there.
Get her out of her toes.
Oh, it's burning my eyes.
Life as we know it.
Oh, what?
Sweetie, you had poo on your face.
Coming soon. By the Classification Rating Administration, www.filmratings.com.